Number 15. Ectolife, artificial wombs for a new era. Imagine a world where childbirth happens outside the human body. Ectolife is a futuristic concept for artificial wombs that could revolutionize parenthood. These advanced incubators would provide a controlled environment for fetal development, potentially reducing risks associated with traditional pregnancy. Think precisely regulated temperature and oxygen levels, constant monitoring of vital signs, and even the possibility of personalized genetic modifications, although that's a whole other conversation. Ectolife is still a concept, but it raises fascinating questions about the future of human reproduction. Could it offer new hope for couples struggling with infertility? Would it change the way we view parenthood? Only time will tell, but Ectolife is a glimpse into a future where medical technology could redefine the very beginning of human life. Number 14. Hygroscopic transport, trains that run on air. Tired of those pesky train tracks? Hygroscopic transport proposes a radical alternative, trains that run on a cushion of air created by special wheels that absorb moisture from the environment. Imagine high-speed trains gliding effortlessly across landscapes, unburdened by the limitations of rails. These special wheels would utilize a hygroscopic material, which attracts and retains moisture from the air. As the wheels rotate, they create a thin film of water vapor between the wheel and the track, essentially eliminating friction. This innovative technology could revolutionize transportation, offering a more flexible, efficient, and potentially even eco-friendly way to travel. Hygroscopic transport is still in the early stages of development, but it holds the promise of a future where trains can travel faster, quieter, and with greater freedom than ever before. Number 13. Bird of prey drones, nature-inspired guardians. Inspired by the sharp vision and agility of birds of prey, these autonomous drones could become invaluable tools for surveillance and security. Imagine these high-tech drones soaring through the skies, equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced AI. They could patrol sensitive areas, deter crime, and even conduct search and rescue missions in challenging environments. These bird-like drones would mimic the incredible capabilities of their avian counterparts. Their keen eyesight and maneuverability would allow them to navigate complex terrain and capture detailed footage. Additionally, advanced AI would enable them to make real-time decisions, autonomously responding to threats and situations as they unfold. Bird of prey drones represent a future where nature inspires technology, creating powerful tools for protecting people and property. Number 12. The Line City, a vertical metropolis of the future. Imagine a city that stretches for miles, not outwards, but upwards. The Line is a proposed megacity concept in Saudi Arabia. This futuristic metropolis would house millions of people in a linear, vertical structure, with everything residents need readily accessible. Think towering skyscrapers seamlessly integrated with nature, offering green spaces, parks, and even vertical farms. The Line would be a marvel of sustainable urban planning, minimizing the city's footprint and promoting a close connection with nature. Imagine high-speed elevators whisking you between different levels, with homes, offices, schools, and entertainment venues all within easy reach. This vertical city concept challenges traditional urban design, proposing a future where humanity thrives in harmony with the environment, even in densely populated areas. Number 11. Nuclear-powered sky hotel, luxury in the lap of the clouds. Ever dreamt of a luxurious getaway with a truly breathtaking view? The nuclear-powered sky hotel takes hospitality to a whole new level. This revolutionary concept proposes a giant, self-sustaining hotel that would permanently hover in the stratosphere. Imagine a colossal structure, powered by clean nuclear energy, offering guests unparalleled luxury and panoramic views of Earth. Think spacious suites with floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing you to gaze down at the curvature of the planet from the comfort of your room. The hotel would also boast world-class restaurants, entertainment facilities, and even observation decks where guests could experience the awe-inspiring sight of our planet from space. While the idea of a nuclear-powered hotel might raise some concerns, advancements in clean nuclear technology could make this concept a reality, offering a truly out-of-this-world vacation experience. Number 10. Future fire truck concept, battling blazes with cutting-edge technology. Firefighting is about to get a serious upgrade. This futuristic fire truck concept is a technological marvel. Imagine a fire truck equipped with advanced sensors that can detect even the faintest traces of smoke or heat. These sensors would be coupled with high-resolution cameras and drones, providing firefighters with a detailed overview of the situation. The fire truck itself would be outfitted with fire-extinguishing robots that could venture into dangerous infernos without risking human lives. Think robots equipped with powerful water cannons and heat-resistant materials, capable of battling flames from multiple angles. Additionally, the fire truck could be integrated with AI technology, allowing it to analyze the fire and suggest the most effective course of action. This future fire truck concept represents a vision where technology empowers firefighters, saving lives and property with greater efficiency and precision. Number 9. Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus. Comfort and luxury take flight. Traveling long distances can be a drag. Cramped seats, limited legroom, and the constant jostle of turbulence. Who enjoys spending hours cooped up in an airplane? But imagine a comfortable and luxurious pod that could be attached to airplanes, offering passengers a whole new level of in-flight experience. The Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus proposes just that. These modular cabins could be personalized, equipped with amenities like sleeping areas, entertainment centers, and even private dining spaces. Imagine stretching out on a plush bed, watching your favorite movie on a high-definition screen, or enjoying a gourmet meal prepared by a private chef, all while soaring through the skies. The Airspace cabin concept could revolutionize air travel, transforming the experience from a chore to a luxurious escape. Imagine a future where long-haul flights become an opportunity for relaxation and rejuvenation, allowing passengers to arrive at their destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Number 8. The Deep Sentinel System, Guardians of the Deep. The vast oceans hold many secrets and some dangers. Pollution, illegal fishing, and even undiscovered threats lurk beneath the waves. The Deep Sentinel system envisions a network of autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, that could patrol and monitor the oceans. These high-tech drones would be equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and even sampling tools. Imagine a fleet of robotic guardians silently gliding through the depths, collecting vital data on the health of our oceans. They could monitor for pollutants, track marine life populations, and even detect potential threats like illegal fishing vessels. The Deep Sentinel system could revolutionize ocean conservation and research, helping us understand and protect this vast and critical ecosystem. Think of these AUVs as our underwater eyes and ears, providing real-time data that can be used to ensure the health and sustainability of our oceans for generations to come. Number 7. Mansory Flying HyperCar, where luxury meets the sky. For those who crave ultimate luxury and speed, the Mansory Flying HyperCar is a dream come true. This concept vehicle combines the sleek design of a high-performance car with the ability to take flight. Imagine cruising down the highway in a luxurious hypercar, boasting cutting-edge aerodynamic features and a powerful engine. Then, with the touch of a button, the car transforms, its wings extending and its tail section adjusting for vertical takeoff. The Mansory Flying HyperCar represents the pinnacle of automotive and aeronautical engineering. It offers the thrill of flying combined with the comfort and performance of a high-end car. Imagine a future where the open road extends to the skies, offering limitless possibilities for transportation and exploration. While the technical challenges of this concept are significant, it pushes the boundaries of what's possible and serves as a reminder of humanity's relentless pursuit of innovation. Number 6. Pangeos Terayacht, a sustainable seastead paradise. Imagine a luxurious yacht city that could roam the oceans with minimal environmental impact. Pangeos is a proposed Terayacht concept, a massive, self-sufficient vessel that could house thousands of people. This futuristic city on the sea would be a marvel of sustainable design. Think solar panels and wind turbines harnessing renewable energy to power the entire vessel. Vertical gardens and advanced water purification systems would ensure a sustainable food and water supply. Pangeos wouldn't just be a luxurious getaway, it would be a self-contained community, promoting a harmonious coexistence with the ocean environment. Imagine luxurious apartments, world-class restaurants, and even entertainment facilities, all housed within this colossal eco-friendly yacht. Pangeos offers a glimpse into a future where humanity can explore and enjoy the wonders of the ocean without leaving a significant ecological footprint. Number 5. Hitachi Rail Blues Train, high-speed sustainability. Trains are already a great way to travel, but what if they could be even faster and more eco-friendly? The Hitachi Rail Blues Train is a high-speed maglev train concept that could revolutionize rail travel. Maglev trains use magnetic levitation technology to virtually eliminate friction between the train and the track. This allows for incredible speeds, potentially exceeding 300 miles per hour. The Hitachi Rail Blues train concept takes this technology a step further, incorporating aerodynamic design principles and potentially utilizing renewable energy sources to minimize its environmental impact. Imagine gliding through the landscape at breakneck speeds in a sleek, futuristic train, all while minimizing your carbon footprint. The Blues train represents a future where high-speed rail travel becomes not just efficient, but also sustainable, offering a guilt-free way to travel long distances. Number 4. Nautilus Cargo Drone, Deliveries Take Flight. Delivery drones are becoming more common, but what about large-scale cargo transport? The Nautilus is a giant, autonomous cargo drone concept that could transform the shipping industry. Imagine colossal drones, resembling futuristic airplanes, silently transporting goods across vast distances. These aerial leviathans would be equipped with powerful electric engines and advanced navigation systems, allowing them to carry tons of cargo efficiently and autonomously. The Nautilus concept could revolutionize global trade, potentially reducing reliance on traditional cargo ships and their associated environmental impact. Think about faster delivery times, reduced shipping costs, and a more sustainable approach to transporting goods around the world. While the technical challenges of building and operating these colossal drones are significant, the Nautilus concept offers a glimpse into a future where aerial cargo delivery becomes the norm, reshaping the global logistics landscape. Number 3. Underground Tunnels Tran, UTT. Traffic jams got you down? Imagine a world where you can bypass congested city streets altogether. Underground Tunnels Tran, UTT, proposes a network of high-speed tunnels that could revolutionize transportation in major cities. These futuristic tunnels would be constructed beneath the surface, eliminating the need for traffic lights, intersections, and the limitations of traditional road infrastructure. Think sleek, high-tech pods gliding through these tunnels at incredible speeds, whisking passengers and cargo to their destinations quickly and efficiently. The UTT system would utilize electric propulsion technology, ensuring a clean and sustainable mode of transportation. Imagine hopping into a pod at a designated station and being whisked across town in minutes, avoiding the stress and frustration of traffic congestion. This concept offers a glimpse into a future where cities become more efficient and sustainable, utilizing underground networks to streamline transportation and improve quality of life. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz F-015, Luxury in Motion. The future of luxury cars is all about autonomous driving and personalized experiences. The Mercedes-Benz F-015 is a concept car that embodies this vision. This self-driving vehicle would prioritize passenger comfort and safety, featuring a spacious interior that can be configured to meet individual needs. Think plush, reclining seats, interactive entertainment systems, and even customizable lighting and temperature controls. The F-015 wouldn't just be a means of transportation, it would be a luxurious lounge on wheels, allowing passengers to relax and unwind during their journey. Imagine stepping into the car, selecting your destination, and then kicking back as the car takes care of the driving, navigating traffic, and ensuring a smooth ride. This concept car highlights a future where autonomous driving becomes commonplace, transforming the very concept of car travel and offering a whole new level of luxury and convenience. Number 1. Valero Novo. The Valero Novo isn't just another train, it's a glimpse into the future of high-speed transportation. This Siemens concept boasts impressive eco-credentials, consuming 30% less energy than its predecessors. Imagine gliding through landscapes at speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour in a lightweight, aerodynamic marvel. The Valero Novo prioritizes passenger comfort with a spacious interior and the flexibility to cater to diverse needs. This futuristic train is a testament to sustainable innovation, promising a faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable travel experience. Phew! That's a wrap on our exploration of these amazing future concepts. What did you think? Which one captured your imagination the most? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more future-focused content.